Man, that dreaded red bar. Does that sound familiar? You're out and about, snapping pictures, navigating, bam, dead battery. But what if I told you there's a stylish superhero ready to swoop in and save your day? Meet the INIU 25000 mAh Cougar P63 power bank. This isn't your grandma's bulky brick. Look at this sleek design and the great LED screen, which tells you exactly how much power you've got in it. No more guessing. But wait, there's more. Check this out. This isn't just the handle and the strap. This is a USB-C cable. How awesome is that? No more throwing cables in your bag, stringing them out, trying to figure out where it's at. It comes right together, easy to get on, easy to get off, and it's right there when you need it. With this massive 25,000 mAh capacity, this beast can charge your phone multiple times, power up your tablet, and even give all your other devices a boost. So it's got multiple ports, 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A. This USB-C is a 100 watt supercharged port. Then you have a 45 watt USB-C and an 18 watt USB-A. Plenty of ports for all your devices. So whether you're a busy bee on the go, an outdoor adventurer, or just someone who hates the low battery anxiety, Cougar P63 has your back. It's powerful, it's smart, it's small, and it's seriously convenient. Are you ready to ditch the low battery blues? Check out the Cougar P63 power bank. Click the link in the description below and go get yours today. So tell me, what are your biggest battery drainers? Let me know in the comments, and we'll see you next time.